Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. The weather's changing, so I'm gonna start picking some of these peppers. I'm gonna pick the bigger ones, green and ripe. The simple fact is, I don't want the weather to come and I get a frost. Put this down. These are the Baptiste pepper, the Baptiste hot peppers. See how big they are? Again, look at them. These are not Scotch bonnet. These are jalapeno peppers. Again, it might fool you. Might look like Scotch bonnet, but they're jalapenos. I also have a surprise. I know I'm not gonna see too much of it, but the chocha, or them call it chayote. I'm getting some small ones on it. Alright, so far this is what I have. I'm gonna see what's going on in the potato sack now. Hold on. This pepper tree has so much on it. It's starting to fall over. I gotta get something and hold it up. So down here, as you can see, I planted some sweet potato. I'm telling you now, there's more than one that I planted, but I'm gonna test this one right here to see what I can get out of it. If there's something there, there's something there. If not, guys, it's been running and the leaves are drying up, so a little bit, you know what, I'm gonna leave them. There's sweet potato there, but they're small. I'm gonna leave them. I'm gonna leave them. I don't want to go test the other ones. Gotta put some dirt on it. Dirt back on it. I have some more right here. I'm not gonna mess with these. I'll give it another month. I got some there. I got some down here. There's 2 pepper trees. 1, 2. I gotta get something. So this is the Carolina Reaper. I mean, the tree is loaded. Loaded. This one is this Trinidadian scorpion pepper. You see the tail? Scorpion tail. Nice. The trees, they're loaded with peppers. Loaded. And this is the 3rd batch I'm getting. Over here, that's the ghost pepper. I don't know. I think that's too crowded. But let me go look over here. Scotch bonnet, they're just coming up. I gotta go get a stick. excuse me, to hold it up. Gungo, look at it, they're ready to start blossom. Let me show you guys something. I want to show you guys something. This is me and the trees. That's me inside the pepper farm. Look there. Woo. This is how tall these pepper trees are. And I could go further down. Literally taller than me. And the chocha tree, I got to get rid of this real quick, the chocha tree, because it's killing the grapes. It's murdering the grapes. Look, all my grapevines, the chocha tree's on top, but I'll go on, look, window. And I can see the bees. That's what I like, I see the bees pollinating these things. Yeah, man, go on, nobody hurt me. Lord of mercy. I got some peppers down here I gotta pick. Lots of people ask me, why do you pick the green peppers? Well, I pick both of them. I pick the ripe and the green. And look at this. I got a tomato vine with tomatoes in there hiding. Nice. Yeah, back to what I was saying. See, it's killing all the grapes. They asked me, why do you pick the green peppers? Oh, I said I picked both of them. I let this callaloo, I had to put neem oil on it, so I'm just letting it seed up for next year. I mean, the plant's strong enough. I didn't get no callaloo this year. So I tell them the reason why I picked both the green ones and the ripe ones. The reason why I picked the green ones is for flavor. And I picked the ripe ones for the full flavor. That means the heat. Ripe ones for the heat and the green ones for the flavor. That's why I pick the green ones sometimes. So, if you was asking, that's why. And my little buddy over here, that's keeping all the birds